As a cancer care provider, your primary focus is on delivering optimal patient care. To achieve this, you also have to be efficient in how you utilize your technologies and your staff. Your clinical continuity is Elekta's #1 focus, and Elekta Care is our commitment to your clinical and operational success. Elekta Care includes comprehensive services and support, education and training throughout the life cycle of your Elekta solution to help you get the most from your technology investment. To assure you the highest system availability, Elekta IntelliMax enables proactive support and predictive maintenance and can help boost your bottom line through higher system uptime, first-time fix rate and reduction in parts consumed. IntelliMax remote services are enabled through a secure connection to the hospital network. System data of Elekta devices is monitored by Elekta in real time without interrupting the clinical operation. When a system component starts to degrade or requires tuning, an alert is sent through the secure connection to the Elekta Care Support Center. The Elekta agent drills into the case to identify its source. The case is fixed remotely when possible after notifying the clinic. Or, when required, an Elekta service engineer conducts on-site proactive maintenance, convenient to the clinic's schedule. All this time, the clinical workflow is not impacted. IntelliMax data monitoring has independently predicted the need for maintenance and has preserved valuable clinical uptime for the hospital. Today, more than 16,000 Elekta hardware and software devices in over 80 countries are connected to IntelliMax. The automated diagnosis of system data is used to enable proactive support and predictive maintenance. And at Elekta, we continue to deploy machine learning and deep learning even further. Monitoring and diagnosis of machine data may be embedded into our systems. Elekta technologies will be able to predict their own failures and use that data to trigger required maintenance. With the personalized proactive support and predictive maintenance enabled by IntelliMax, Elekta offers you the highest system uptime with minimal impact on your clinical workflows. It's part of our commitment to provide you the best customer service possible with Elekta Care.